In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons on Carrd.co. If you're new to Carrd or simply looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process of adding and configuring buttons to enhance navigation on your web page. So let's dive in and get started. First, open the Carrd editor by navigating to your project on Carrd.co. Once you're inside the editor, look towards the left side of your screen for the Add Element option. Click on it and from the list that appears, select Button. This simple action adds a new button to your canvas, a crucial element for navigation on any site. Next, you'll want to position your button appropriately. You can conveniently drag and drop this button to any location on your page that best suits your design needs. Just click, hold and move it around until you find that perfect spot. Once your button is in place, it's time to customize it further. Click directly on the button to open the properties panel. Here you'll have the opportunity to give your button its unique identity by adding text. Within the label field, type whatever descriptive text you want to appear on the button. This could be something like home, about, or contact. Anything that informs users about where this button will lead them. After setting up the label, decide on the button's destination. If you want your button to facilitate internal navigation to different sections of your site, use the URL field by typing a hash symbol followed by the section you wish to link to, like #home for the home page or #contact for the contact section. Be diligent here, ensure the section name excluding the hash matches precisely with the control element's name that defines your section for seamless navigation. Maybe you plan instead to link the button to an external website or page. In that case, simply type or paste the complete URL into the same URL field, something like https www.example.com. Remember to explore allowed URL types here, offering you the breadth of link types supported on Carrd. Now on to styling. Head over to the Appearance tab in the Properties panel. Carrd gives you a variety of styling options to help make your button stand out. You can tweak the color, adjust the font, play with sizes, and even change the background to fit your overall design aesthetic. A nicely styled button adds charm and improves user interaction. Once you're satisfied with your button setup and appearance, click Done to finalize your changes. Don't forget this crucial last step. Publish your site. This ensures all your hard work is visible to users, letting them navigate effortlessly through your well-crafted Carrd page. With these steps, you're now equipped to utilize buttons effectively on Carrd.so, enhancing your site's navigational flow and user experience.